Thank you. Wow. And this is just 2 and 3. I'm gonna have to go up and yeah, a little bit. Thank you. That lateral bend. Ooh, love you, bud.
That's good.
Yes, it was. Remember, just speed. Thank you. Sometimes I do with him, I look at him and he just is. Oh yeah, we're coming all the way up today. I'm gonna do it bilaterally, so I'll get 2 through 5 with shoulder and scap bilaterally. There it is. Thank you, pal. What are you walking on your fingertips?
Well, you know, you use your hands a lot more than wrestling and grappling.
Yes, you do. Holy cow. Yep. This one's going to be a little higher. I'm just not going to get 5 on this one, Steph. There it is. One more. Thank you. That's the release. This is just sweet here.